Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. It is mathematics lecture for grade 5 and the topic of this lecture is fractions. So this is chapter number 4, right? So what is fraction? Means how many equal parts of a whole you are taking. Suppose you have slices of pizza and we get fraction. How can you get fraction if you have slices of pizza? So you can say that it is 1/2, right? And it is 1/4 and it is 3/8. So the top number says how many slices we have and the bottom number says how many equal slices the whole pizza was cut into. So fractions will be written in this way. So this number will be called, which is written up, and this line is called fractional line. So we can write a fraction in this way, 1/8, like means slices we have 1 and total number of slices are 8. So this is called numerator and this is called denominator, right? So when how many slices you have, you can write it up, and how many total number of slices of pizza, so you can write it in bottom, right? So if you are taking pizza and you are taking slices of pizza, so you can show it in fraction, right? So it is a whole pizza, okay? And we have how many slices? 8. And we have eaten or we have taken only one slice of this pizza. So that can be written in a fraction 1/8. Suppose you have 12 slices in your pizza. So how can you write it? If you have one slice, you have taken one slice of this pizza. So it would be 1/12. Slices we have 1 and total slices you can write in denominator, right? Suppose I am taking 2 slices. So it would be 2/12, right? If I am taking 3 slices, so it would be 3/12, okay? Suppose I have 9 slices in your pizza and I have taken 3 slices. So it would be 3/9, okay? Suppose you have in your pizza 5 slices. So you can say 5 out of 5 we have taken 3 slices. Out of 5 we have taken 3 slices. So you can write it as 3/5. You can show it in a circle also. If you have a circle, so how many parts are there? Total number of parts will be written in denominator and how many parts you are taking, that you can write on numerator. So you can say it as 3/5. Simplest form, 3/5. Okay. Suppose you have two parts of this circle. So if you are taking one part, so it is called 1/2, means half. Okay. Four, um, three pieces, three parts of this circle will form. If you are taking 2 parts out of 3, so you can say 2/3. I hope you have understood. How can you write a fraction? Suppose you have a square. How can you write a square? If you have a square, so how many parts are there? Total number of parts are 3, and we have colored yellow 2. So it is 2/3. Okay. Suppose you have in your square 6 parts you are taking. So you can write any part if you are taking here 1 or 2 or 3. So that can be written in a fraction. So if you are taking 3 parts, so it would be 3 over 6. If you are taking 4 parts, so it is called 4 over 6. If you are taking 5 parts, so it would be 5 over 6. And if you are taking the all parts of this, so it would be 6 over 6, means 1 whole. Whenever you have same numerator and denominator, so it would be uh, equals to 1 whole. Okay. So here I'm taking 5, 4 over 6. Now I'm taking the number of parts 9. We have 9 parts of this square. So if I have taken 3 parts of this square, so it can be written in fraction 3 over 9, right? Suppose I'm taking 4 parts, so it would be 4 over 9, 5 over 9, and 6 over 9, 7 over 9, 8 over 9, and 9 over 9. So if you are having a whole shape, so if you are taking some parts of that whole shape, you can represent it in a fraction. So you can extend the number of parts of your square and you can understand it easily. It is 9 over 13, it is 10 over 13. So I hope you have understood. Now you have pizza. If you have 13 pieces of pizza, so if we are taking 10 pieces of pizza here, so it would be 10 over 13. And 10 is called numerator and 13 is called denominator. I hope you have understood. Now we are having the next topic, equivalent fraction. Some fractions may look different but are really the same. For example, it is 4 over 8. You can say it as 4/8, and it is 2 over 4, 2 quarters, and 1/2. It is usually best to show an answer using the simplest fraction, 1 over 2 in this case. That is called simplifying or reducing the fraction. So 1 over 2 we can write it as 2 over 4, and we can write 1 over 2 as 4 over 8 also, because when you are getting some equivalent fraction, it means you are multiplying some value here. We are multiplying here 2 by this fraction, so it would be 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. And you can say the fraction will be 2 quarter, means 2 out of 4. Out of 4 we have 2. If we are taking an equivalent fraction of 1 over 2, so we can multiply the same number here, like we are multiplying here 4. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So it is equivalent fraction of 1 over 2. So 4 over 8 means 4 out of 8. So we have 8, total number of 8 pieces of pizza, and we are taking 4 of this pizza, right? So it would be 4 over 8. Or you can say 4/8. So these all are called equivalent fraction. Suppose I have 2 over 5, right? Means 2 out of 5. So the equivalent fraction will be, if we are multiplying some number here, suppose we are multiplying here 2 twos are 4, we are multiplying here 2. So 2 twos are 4 and 5 twos are 10. So they both are equal. If we are taking 2 out of 5, so it would be equals to 4 out of 10. Okay. Because we have 1/2 here. So if we are taking 1/2 again, so it would be 2 over 4, right? If we are taking 4 times of 1/2, so it would be 4 over 8. So it means we are multiplying some number here. So if we are multiplying here 3, so it would be 3 twos are 6 and 3 fives are 15. So they all are equal. 2 out of 5 is equals to 4 out of 10 and is equals to 6 out of 15. Numerator and denominator, we call the top number the numerator. It is the number of the parts we have. We call the bottom number the denominator. It is number of parts the whole is divided into, numerator and denominator. You just have to remember those names. If you forget, just think down denominator. Okay. So this is your topic for today. We will learn adding fraction in the next lecture. Thank you so much. And I'll send you next lecture